Hi guys, Blendersound here. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a custom panorama screen. You know, on the main menu there's like a panorama screen. This is a tutorial on how to make one of your own. The first thing you have to do is go to installations, then select any version. If you're doing this on a server, then select the server's version. For this tutorial, I'm going to select the latest snapshot. Then press these three dots and press edit. Now, right here, there is the resolution at the bottom. Now, I already set to 512 by 512, but that's what you want to set it to. Once you've done that, press save, and then load up the game. And now, here we are in the latest snapshot. So what we want to do now is make the screenshots for the panorama image. So I'm gonna go into a random world. Let's just go into this random world. Now here I am in this beautiful meadow biome. So what we want to do is, first of all, pick a place for your panorama image to like circle around and stuff. So I'm just gonna pick this area right here. Now what you want to do is go to options and then set your FOV to 90. But then after you set the FOV to 90, you want to set FOV effects to 0. Or else it'll be too much. As you can see, it got lowered a little bit, but this is actually 90 FOV. But then what you want to do is type in a command. So the first command is /tp @s, these three squiggly lines, and then 0, 0. Now this will make you point directly south. Now what you want to do is press the key that says FN on the bottom left of your keyboard and press F1 at the same time. And then this will happen, where the GUI just disappears, and then press FNF2, which will take a screenshot, as you can see. Now, we need to type in like the same command as last time, except now it's a 90 instead of a 0, which now we're facing directly west. Now, FNF1, FNF2, FNF1. Reason why you want to do FNF1 is because, okay, maybe it's just weather clear. I don't want the rain to interfere. Yeah, you don't want weather or like day and night cycle to interfere, so you want to like disable that first. Next one is 180, and then you want to do the same exact thing, FNF1, FNF2, FNF1. And then you want to do the same exact thing with 270 now. And then FNF1, FNF2, FNF1. And here we go, that is 4 screenshots. But now we need 2 more for the top and the bottom. And so the next one is like this, except it's a 0 and then a negative 90. And so that makes me go directly pointing at the sun. And FNF1, FNF2, FNF1. And now another screenshot. And then the last one is just 90 right here. So then type that in, FNF1, FNF2, FNF1. So now we have all 6 screenshots. Now, where do we find these screenshots? So, what you want to do is press this search button right up here, and then type in what I'm typing in right now. There's a copy and paste in the description below. And that is where you'll find your screenshots. Press enter, and then here are all the screenshots. So these some of these are just from like accidental things, but the 6 on the bottom, I believe, so these ones are the ones that you want to use for the panorama images. So then what you want to do is where to put your panorama images. So you want to create a new folder, name it whatever you want, and then make another new folder called assets. Then inside assets, you want to create another new folder called Minecraft. Then double click inside Minecraft to go into it, and then you make another folder called textures, and then double click textures, right click new folder. Now GUI, now go into GUI, make another new folder, title. Now go into title, and then this is the last folder we'll make, which is called backgrounds. Or no, sorry, just background. Okay, let's just, okay, let's go back and rename it. So yeah, not backgrounds, background. And then inside background, you want to put these 6 images, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, at the bottom of the screenshots folder. Put these 6 images, right click, press copy 6 items, then go in here, select the background, and then press Command V on your keyboard, and then it'll copy all of these into here. Now, you want to rename each of these, because right now they're just like screenshot things. What you need to do is right click, press rename, and call it panorama 0.png. So that one will be panorama 0. And then also rename this one panorama 1. And then you get the idea. Panorama 5. And there we go, all of these panorama images. Now, what you want to do is close this, and also you don't need this, so you can close it as well. And go back here in the panorama pack, and then you'll see this with all the folders. Now what you want to do is make another
thing.
For this, I recommend downloading like another pack for like honestly any version of Minecraft. What you want to do is go back to the game, press escape, options, resource packs, then press open pack folder. So these will have like all the packs that you already have, and basically you can take one of these packs, right click it, and press open, which will open the pack and unzip it, because normally they're in .zip files. It turns it into a folder just like this one. Now inside of here you'll see something called pack.mcmeta. I think that's how it's said. Now what you need to do is right click it, do copy pack.mcmeta, go back into panorama pack, and then Command V. And then after that, what you want to do is close the panorama pack folder like I just did, and then click the panorama pack and drag it into the resource packs folder. Just like this, and then press move. Now it should be in here. Now because of which version I'm using, all the packs are red. So yeah, once you're in this thing, actually you can just set it to anything, any like thing now. Now, yeah, you just have to search for it, and here's the panorama pack. Press done. So now we're pretty much done. If you save and quit, then you'll be met with this. As you can tell, this is like the exact place where I was. And yeah, that is basically it for this tutorial. If you liked it, please consider liking and subscribing. It helps out the channel. And till next time, Blendersound says goodbye. I'll see you in my next video.